Today I'm going to be doing an August 2020 Boxycharm unboxing. So here's what the box looks like for those of you who do not know what Boxycharm is. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box, and this is not a sponsored video, so I'm just talking about this because I really like it. In my last video I didn't use all of my products, so this time I'm really going to try to use all of my products, and if I can't, I'm just going to tell you what they're used for. So I'm just going to open the box. Take the first thing I see, and it is this. It is the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector, and it is in the shade, let's see, let me take it out of the box. It is in the shade, I believe this is the shade number 95300. It is Pointis France, however you pronounce that. I'm not very good at pronunciations on some of these makeup brands, but this is what it looks like. I'm gonna open it. So it just has a little brush, and I guess you squeeze that. And then, let's see, this is to finer brow. This is what the box looks like. It has like a black and like a rose gold on the side. It's so pretty. So I love getting brow pencils because I love trying new brow pencils. I'm currently in love with the Wet n Wild ones. If you saw my last video, that's what I used instead of the one that came in the box, because the other one was a micro. This one's kind of teeny too, but like I said, I'm going to try to use exactly what's in the box. So this is what it looks like. Kind of has that same from the unboxing. It has the black and the rose gold. So I'm gonna open the brushes so y'all can see a little bit of what it looks like, if I can get it to focus. A spoolie at the end of it. I love eyebrow pencils that have spoolies. I won't buy an eyebrow pencil unless it has a spoolie. So the next thing is this My Tan Body Skin Hydra Glow Sleep Serum. And so really it's just for like when you go to sleep, but I'm just gonna put it on anyway since I said I was gonna use all of my products this time. And let's see, 2 more products. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. I'm so excited about this. I've never tried their like concealers or their foundations, but I saw that they were gonna have it this month and I was just super excited, so I picked this. Sometimes you have the option of picking between two to three products. So it was between this and I believe like a skincare product, and you get a lot of skincare products in the Boxycharm, usually at least one in every box. So I really wanted to try this because I've never tried their skin products, and I'm gonna open the box now. So the box is like a light pink with a gold rim, super cute. Ooh, it says it's infused with coconut water, alpine rose, and hyaluronic acid. And you get like a full-size bottle, so this is totally worth it. This retails at $29. Can you believe that? That's like over the price of the actual box. Oh, I didn't say how much the sleep serum was, how much it was, or the brow pencil. I'm gonna go back and see that. So the sleep serum, it retails at $44.95. So that's nearly double the value of the actual box. And then the Real Her Definer Brow Pencil is $16. So that's such a good price. The last item of the box is this Violet Voss eyeshadow. I'm so excited to try this. I love Violet Voss. I've been wanting to buy some eyeshadows from them, but I haven't. So this is what the inside looks like. I'm gonna take off the film. This is what the inside looks like. Super pretty colors. I love this purple I'm pretty neutral, so I don't know. Maybe I might use this purple, maybe I might not. I really like this blue too. Super pretty. It has mattes and metallics. And some shimmers. I really like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a look with these products. You get a pamphlet every month with this box. This one's super cute. You guys, it's based on camping. Since it's in the month of August, it has s'mores on it and just a little signs that say spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, slumber. So it's super cute. And then again, it has the list of all the products and what they're used for, just a brief description and how much they cost. So I'm gonna put this on just to see how it feels on the skin. This is again the sleep serum. Now it's more of like a spray. Oh, it smells so good. So it's the Touch and Soul Pretty Fitter Glassy Skin Balm. And it is a primer, so I'm just gonna put on that serum and then put this primer on because it's like primer and moisturizer. I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte in the color 108 Caramel Beige. I used this in my last video and I almost ran it out. I literally have like the last bit. So I'm gonna go in with the Real Her Definer Brow Pencil. I'm gonna try to use this for the most part. If it takes a little bit longer, I might just use a bigger one and then go back over it with this one. A little bit thicker than I like, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up. My girls are napping, so try to do this as fast as possible for mommies. I'm sure you're well aware of when you have time to yourself, you try to do it as fast as possible. So I'm just gonna use this one. It is the Lavish Eye Shading Pencil. And it is the little blue. I like this electric blue color. So I'm just gonna clean it up with the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. First thing that I'm so excited to use is this Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I've heard a lot of good things about this one. excited. I don't know if I picked the correct shade, honestly, but because I'm a lot lighter than what I usually am since I've been inside so much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this. Oh, and this is in the shade Shortbread. So hopefully this is the correct shade. I'm horrible at picking the correct concealer and contour shade. If you have any suggestions for how to actually pick really good, you know, closely matched contour and concealer shades, please let me know down below. If you have a video that you suggest, let me know. So I'm just gonna go in over and prime my lid. I was gonna start my contouring, but little did I forget, I have to do my eyeshadow first. So I'm gonna use this AOA Studio High Def brush in, I believe this is E104. So I love AOA. I think I mentioned that in my last video. They're super affordable and they are such good quality brushes and makeup. Okay, so now I am going to do my eyeshadow. I'm trying to decide what look I guess I want to go through. I really like this Wild Orchid color, but I think I might just stick to the neutrals. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna stick to the neutrals. So I'm gonna go in with this Luxe 250 large eye shading brush. If my brushes have a description on them, I will always say what they are. If they don't, then I probably got them gifted from like my mom or my sister, so they're probably from, you know, in a like package. And I obviously don't save the packaging. So I'm gonna go in this Violet Voss eyeshadow. It's gonna go in the beige. Now I'm gonna go in with the Clay shade in the Violet Voss. I brush Moda Pro in the BMX 430 crease brush. Moda Pro just has really good brushes, and I got these through Boxycharm. So I think if I never would have got them in my Boxycharm, I probably would have never tried them and known how good they are. So I'm going with this in my crease. Blending is one of my more difficult skills when it comes to makeup. So I'm gonna go back in with this Born This Way concealer. I'm gonna use that same electric blue lavish eye shading brush just to clean up my eyelid. I'm gonna go in with the Moda Pro BMX 402 smudger since it has like a smaller brush. I think I'm gonna do this rose gold color. Doesn't really have like a highlighter color, so I think I'm just gonna use this like bronze shade just to go on my eyebrow bone. So this didn't come with an eyeliner, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab an eyeliner. I'm gonna use the Haas Laboratories eyeliner. Let me see if it has a shade Punk, in the shade Punk. I love this Haas Laboratory eyeliner. Ego mascara. So since this blue sky shade is just like calling at me, I'm just gonna use it under my eye. Let me get a more defining brush. I'm gonna use this lavish pencil brush. I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way concealer. And go ahead and lightly contour. So far I'm really loving this concealer. I'm going to get like a bronze or like a contour shade. I'm just gonna contour and kind of bronze with the Hoola Benefit bronzer. I'm gonna use, I guess I use this one. This is a Alexis, I've been saying Lex this whole time. Alexis small contouring brush. Now I'm gonna quickly set with this AOA Perfect Banana Powder. It's a setting powder. Letting that sit for a second, I'm going to go in with my chapstick. Bronze brush, but I'm just using it because it's like a really big brush to scrape off this excess setting powder. The last product that I am using from the Boxycharm box, it is the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. So I squished a little bit earlier. Alright, so I almost forgot to highlight, so I'm just going to go in with whatever's next to me. This is the Too Faced Fancy Pink Diamond highlighter. And I'm going to go in with the Atamar Brightening Brush. Now I'm going to set with the Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Spray. Alright, so I think I'm done. I hope you liked the finished look. Ooh, this is a little harsh right here, but I hope you like the finished look. I'm gonna start doing these monthly opening boxes for the Boxycharm base box. So let me know if you like it, and let me know what other types of videos or content you would like to see, or any videos you're interested in. So yeah, well, thank you for watching. Bye.